gibahog dito sa nasod, sa laing nasod. At Tatay Digong does not deserve that.
Marcos resign!
Marcos resign! Panahon na araw natin padayag ang atong gibati, mga higala. May panahon na para makabahas na Tatay Digong. Unsay atong panawagan? Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Salamat Tatay Digong. Salamat sa inyong kasi nga pagkalapod itong mahal ko namo. You did so many things for us sa iyong ikaw pa ang among presidente. Thank you for making us safe when you were our president, Tatay Digong. For making Philippines beautiful while you were here. For changing the lives of those who were addicted to drugs. Because it was not just all about killings, but all about changing the lives